Good evening everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 7th science chapter sound part 3. In this part we will learn frequency, units of frequency and etc. First, what is frequency? The number of vibrations produced by a vibrating body in 1 second is called frequency. Now, it is denoted by the letter F. It is denoted by the letter F. Units of frequency. The unit of frequency in SI system is Hertz. SI system is equal to Hertz. When a vibrating body produces one vibration in 1 second, then its frequency is said to be 1 Hz. Hertz. If the frequency of a turning fork is 256 Hz, it means it is producing 256 vibrations in 1 second. Bigger units of frequency. Bigger units of frequency means frequency are kilohertz, symbol KHZ. Hertz. This word Hertz symbol is HZ. So kilohertz and megahertz MGZ. First, 1 kilohertz is equal to 1000 hertz. First is 1 kilohertz is equal to 1000 hertz. And second one is 1 megahertz is equal to 10 lakh hertz. After that, time period. The time in which a vibrating body completes one vibration is called a time period. Definition is time period. Definition of it is the time in which a vibrating body a vibrating body completes one vibration is called time period. So, it is denoted by the letter T. If F is frequency of vibrating body and T is the time period, then F vibrations are completed in 1 second. Therefore, one vibration is completed in 1 by F seconds. But time taken to complete one vibration is its time period T. Therefore, T is equal to 1 upon F, that is time period, is equal to 1 upon frequency. Now, production of sound in human beings and animals. There are various Sound produced by human beings. Voice box or the larynx is the most important source of sound in human beings. Two ligaments, commonly known as vocal cords, are stretched across the larynx in such a way that they leave a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the air from the lungs is forced through the slit, it makes the vocal cords vibrate and hence produce sound. The pitch of the sound produced is changed by the muscles attached to the vocal cords. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, they produce sound of high frequency, that is shrill sound. However, when the vocal cords are loose and thick, they produce sound of low frequency, that is a bass sound. B. Sound produced by animals. Most of mammals such as dogs, cows, cats, etc. produce sound with the help of their vocal cords. Birds produce sound by means of a ring of cartilage known as syrinx, fixed at the beginning of the windpipe. Some birds have two parts in the syrinx, thus they can produce two different notes. Insects such as bees, houseflies, mosquitoes producing buzzing sound by rapidly flapping their wings. Bullfrog, a large-headed American frog, produces sound with the help of vocal cords. However, to increase the loudness of the note produced, that inflates its throat like a balloon. This in turn amplifies the sound. Now the question is that do all vibrations produce sound? Answer is it has been proved that human ear is not sensitive to vibration of all frequencies. If the frequency of the vibration is less than 20 Hz, then the human ear cannot perceive them. Such vibrations are called subsonic vibrations or infrasonic vibrations. If the frequency of vibrations is between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, then they can be perceived by the human ear. Such vibrations are called sonic vibrations or sound vibrations. Another fact is the higher the frequency is, sharper or shriller is the effect of sound on the ears. However, if the frequency of vibrations is about 20,000 Hz, then the human ear cannot perceive them. Such vibrations are called ultrasonic vibrations or ultrasonics. We will learn the types first. A. Sound produced by human beings. Sound produced by human beings is, and second is B. Sound produced by animals. Sound produced by animals. Next is birds produce this sound by the means of ring of cartilage called SYRINX, syrinx, and in the human's voice box or larynx is the most important source of sound in human being. Voice box or larynx. The next is type and frequency range. There are 3 types that are. This is type and frequency range. First, ultrasonic infrasonic waves less than 20 Hz. Second, audible between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, and ultrasonic more than 20,000 Hz. In this video, we have learned about frequency sound production by animals and humans, and types: infrasonic waves, audible, ultrasonic. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have understand everything. In next part 4, we will learn uses of ultrasonic vibrations by animals, measure of loudness of sound, the decibel scale, and etc. For any queries and doubts, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.